Hey guys, Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your Polaris Ranger 570, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is get the Ranger up off the ground on some jacks where you can get underneath it and locate the oil drain plug screw. You can see it right here. You're going to need a 6mm Allen wrench or a hex bit to take it off. I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch socket driver and a 1/4 inch socket to remove the drain plug. Now you're going to be moving in the counterclockwise position to remove the drain plug. Once you've got the plug loosened, put your oil pan in place and remove the plug by hand. Now remove the oil filler cap so that there will be airflow. This will cause the oil to flow faster and freer out of the pan. Now is a good time to replace the oil filter. It should just be hand tight, but you may need an oil wrench. I have a pretty strong grip. When putting the new oil filter on, you want to lubricate the seal with a little bit of fresh oil first. Just spin it on till it just kind of seats, and you just kind of have to feel for it, just kind of where it just barely feels a little resistance. Once you get it just about right, go ahead and grab hold of it and twist it. I like to turn it about 3/4 of a turn past seated. You may need a wrench if you don't have a strong grip to do this. Okay, now let's replace the plug on the bottom. Now using the 1/4 inch ratchet and socket, we're going to go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. We're not trying to kill it, we just want to get it nice and snug. Alright, let's put the oil in here. Now I'm using Polaris oil, and I bought a kit off Amazon.com that contained the proper amount of synthetic oil from Polaris and the oil filter that I installed earlier. I'll put a link to this kit in the description of the video. It's a really nice kit, comes with everything you need to do this process, and since you only do it once a year, it's a good deal. Alright, well, let's put the cap back in and we're done. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.